For this demonstration, I will be taking you through AI-assisted object editing for feeds and speeds. In other words, you may be aware that within most operations, in fact within all operation types, we have the new prediction node. The prediction node is where the most frequently used parameters in an operation are displayed to improve the user's workflow and the speed of programming. But you will notice that if I make changes to the feeds and speeds in the dialog, like this, regenerate the operation, you will see that they do not appear in the prediction node. And this is by design. But we can now, if the customer chooses to do so, enable this in a customer default. In customer defaults, under user interface, we have the assisted manufacturing node, and under here you can see we now have a checkbox that is off by default, which will allow feeds and speeds visible in the prediction page. So let me turn this on and show you what happens. Now when X has restarted, we can take a look at the same operation. Look into the prediction node. Make some changes in the feeds and speeds. Regenerate the operation. And now we can see that feeds and speeds are visible in the prediction node.